Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my February 2024 newsletter video blog summary. My right shoulder is still very painful and I've struggled to record this video and type my blog in Urdu and English. Despite my pain, I managed to attend a webinar and record videos about the PowerShift Inclusive Excellence Committee, and these videos were about community members expressing an interest to join. I celebrated World Cancer Day 2024 by creating a poster in Urdu and English. I participated in the School for Social Entrepreneurs webinar with Chris Hines MBE. Thank you so much for watching, and health permitting, I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.